Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can update the supplier master data in order to go ahead and use the payout functionality directly from TranZact. So first of all, you need to go to payments module, click on browse module and then click on payments module. Now, once you will come in payments module, you need to click on payment controls. Click on payment controls. After that, you need to go to supplier master. So once you will go on the supplier master, please check. Here is the list of all of your supplier for which the invoice have been raised. As you can see here, this is one of my supplier which is Home Tech, and here is a plus icon. So through this plus icon, you can click on this, and then after you need to go ahead and fill the beneficiary name, account number, IFSC, and bank name. So by this, you can go ahead and fill the data, and then after once you will save it, the bank account details will get saved in which the payment will be done. After adding the account detail, you can directly go ahead and make the payment from TranZact itself against the invoice. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and update your supplier master. Have a good day ahead.